Today we will test how far you can go with one battery charge on your DJI Neo 2. So the test is to let it lift off, follow us in the air and then see how far we can go. I don't think it will be very far because it also has to land. Yeah, let's test it together. I'm trying to get the app to focus on us, but it's just not happening. I'm probably too high already, so we give up on that and start walking. My son is filming and helping me out, and I take over manually. I'm already getting wind warnings. Yeah, that's not great if you're trying to test the battery life. I'm quickly updating the home point, just to avoid it trying to land back where I took off earlier. I'm struggling to see where we are, and then I realize I've been going up this whole time instead of forward. At the moment. Finally back in view. We got a long walk ahead, so I update the home point again. Pretty sure it can be dynamic, but I try that the next time. So I had to land because the battery was too low. Let's see at home how far he actually reached. And there it goes again, landing. I quickly update the home point to where we are and I see we're already at 90% battery. With just 9 minutes on the clock, that's nowhere close to the advertised 80 minutes. So it actually flied good, but yeah, I think because of the wind, the distance was not that far. So we will do this test again once it's not that windy, and let's see if it then flies further, because I want to aim for the bridge, and that would be a nice distance to cover. Yeah, I hope you like this content. Please subscribe, and I see you in the next video.